How to reset and initialize a Netgear router. Follow these steps. This is a Netgear router. Power on. The reset button is in this position. Use a small steel rod to press and hold the reset button. Wait until the power light turns off, then release the reset button. The Netgear router factory reset is complete. Next are the steps to initialize the router. I used a computer to set up the first steps on the Netgear router. Scan to find the Netgear router. A network named Netgear was found. You will find the password printed on the device. This is the default wireless password, *729. Enter the password. Show *729. Next. Connected. Next, go to the router management page. Open any browser and enter the router's IP address. 192.168.1.1. No app installation is required on your phone to set up the router. Click here. I updated the firmware later. I disagree. Next. No, I want to configure the internet connection myself. Next. OK. Admin account settings. Create a new admin password. New password. Confirm password. Setup answers if you forget your password. Next. Username. Admin. Password. Enter the password you just created. Sign in. Never. No internet, because I haven't connected the cable to the WAN port yet. Connect cable. WAN port. Yellow. The WAN port is a different color from the other ports. Internet OK. Internet. Default mode. Dynamic IP address mode. Next you change the default wireless network. Home. Wireless. Wireless network 24 grams. Name. Netgear. Password. Password phrase. Wireless network 5 grams. Name. Netgear 5 grams. Password. Password phrase. Apply. The computer will lose connection to the router because of the change in the wireless network name and password. No internet. Connect to the newly created wireless network. Netgear 5 grams. Enter the password. Enter the password you just set up. Connected. A note: if you have multiple routers on your network, you should change the IP address to avoid conflicts. You can change the IP address as follows. Advanced. LAN setup. IP address. Make sure no two routers have the same IP address. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.